Good morning, fourth grade. Today, you'll be doing an activity involving critiquing email. So that means like giving feedback on some sample emails. But first, I want to review what we discussed last week with our notes. So we had the letters of email all stood for something. So E, that stood for etiquette, so just using our manners, following the format that we want to have an email set up in. Then we had M for meaningful, so that means like this truly should be an email, like it should have a point and a purpose, and it's not just wasting somebody's time. A was audience, so we talked a lot about emailing somebody professionally and then non-professionally, like parents, friends, things like that. So that's what you want to think about for audience. Then we had I. I stands for I. That one's tricking me up here. All right, came back to me. I is for impact. So what is the receiver of your email? How are they going to feel after they read it? What kind of impact is it going to have on them? And finally, our L is for look over. So look over just simply means doing all those proofreading things. Does it have misspelled words? Is it missing capital letters or punctuation marks? So that's a review, and that's what you are going to be looking for in the 2 emails that you are assigned. So now, to know what you are assigned, you have your paper, and in the corner where the staple is, they should all have a different number. So that's how you're going to find your partner for this activity. You're not going to do that now, okay, but just find your number so you know. Here is then the email pages that you are in charge of according to your group. So if you have a number 1, you're in group 1, and you will be looking at emails on pages 1 and 2. Group 2, you will look at emails on pages 3 and 4. Group 3, you will look at the emails on pages 5 and 6. Group 4, you will look at the emails on page 7 and 8. Group 5, you will look at the pages on 9 and 10. Group 6, you will look at pages 11 and 12. And finally, group 7, you will look at pages 13 and 14. Now, if some people are gone, the sub's going to help get every group situated and can help you figure out like which pages you should do. But no 2 groups should be looking over the same email. So you'll get some time. She'll explain how much time you get to complete this task, and then you'll come back together as a class to kind of share what you found and think.